Kangen Electric Water for restaurants, now serving quality and eco-friendly water. Kangen Water in the dining room, sparkling, still, or ionized. Ionized water is on the house. Electrolyzed reduced Kangen water is a sweet and smooth ionized water that pairs perfectly with any meal. A microclustered water will help hydrate your customers without leaving them feeling full or bloated. They will notice improved digestion, elevated happy mood, better memory of their experience at your restaurant, and a VIP experience that made them feel appreciated. Kangen Electric Water in the kitchen. Use Kangen water to clean and prepare all of your food. Chefs love it. 2.5 strong acidic water is an antibacterial food wash. It removes E. coli, Listeria, MRSA, colds, flus, and over 100 other microorganisms that were lab tested. 11.5 strong alkaline water, a degreaser water, removes oil-based pesticides, herbicides, and fungicides from fresh fruit and vegetables. 9.5 Kangen water is your secret ingredient to enhance flavor and nutrients in soups, stews, and sauces. Every dish is better with Kangen. Chicken is juicier, bread is lighter, salad is cleaner. Everything tastes organic. Kangen Cleaning Trio. Powerful, non-toxic, chemical-free cleaning for everyone's health and safety. Using 2.5 strong acidic cleaner for glassware and 4.5 to 6 pH water to shine. This will impress your guests and keep them healthy and safe. 4.5 to 6 pH water is the best chemical-free glass cleaner, healthy and non-toxic. 2.5 strong acidic antibacterial table wipe, 11.5 degreaser will break down any oily mess. 2.5 antibacterial silver shine will make your cutlery sparkle. It is food safe and people safe too. Kangen Electric Water is perfect for every restaurant. Easy financing available. Write off a quality water program for your restaurant this year. There are 5 different types of pH balanced water. All of them belong in your restaurant.